Hvad? Vigge, Birker, Magne. Vent et øjeblik. Vi er på vej. Ja. Jeg tror, vi skal herned, altså. Det er ned til Afrika. Nej, det er der ikke.
Now, whatever these giraffes do eat, they use that really long tongue that they have. It's about 18 inches long, so about the size of an average person's forearm. You know, the tongues are actually so long that they're able to lick their own eyeballs, or even clean the inside of their ears. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy ear wax, I know. Yeah, but let's keep on moving forward. In just a second, we're about to be able to find a zebra, but guess what? This same zebra just had a little baby, so now we'll find our little baby zebra hanging out here to the left. We actually have 2 baby zebras. The other one's over here to the right. They're both about 3 months old right now. African elephants live to about 75 to 80 years old, so he's pretty young for an African elephant. Now we know that he's an African elephant just by simply looking at his ears. African elephants, they have the largest ears out of all the elephants, and they're also kind of in the shape of Africa, which is pretty cool too. Now, these elephants, but these are our lions, everyone. We have Dakari and Kamari. Looks like Dakari has passed out, and Kamari is right above, just trying to keep an eye on right now. See who's nearby. You see him just relaxing. That's very normal. The lions, they are the laziest of the cats. They usually rest and sleep for about 20 hours of the day. They're only really active for about 4, which is spent at night. During that time, the male lion would stay back to protect the pride of lions, while the females, they would go off to hunt for food. Now, they especially like to hunt for food at night because they're able to see better. During the day, the lion's eyesight just...
Hold up, bare Magne. Det er lidt mere end i Legoland, hva'? Ja.
I'm breathing now.
Jeg tror faktisk allerede turen er slut nu.
Det tror jeg også.
Det tror jeg også, ja.
Det var godt en kort tur.
Ja. Og vi har ikke ramt det. Vi har ikke nået elefanten endnu.
Nej.
Prøv at se der elefanten. Hvor er der en elefant der også? Det var godt, vi kom videre derfra, hva' Magne?
Just very unfortunate. Well, can we, James? Can we adjust? I think.